Hey there, in this video I'm going to compare the Saturn 4 with the Saturn 3. Is like what are the main differences between these two and which one is better or not. So when we can look here on an LCD screen here, yes, the Saturn 4 is like, it really depends when you're buying that and which product, but it can be more expensive. Then the LCD screen is a tie, the resolution is a tie. Then you can have build volume. Saturn 3 got a larger build volume, so just be aware of that. Then the light source is a tie. Then the cooling system is, you're gonna have more fans for the Saturn 3. The leveling, like I don't know if Saturn 3 got actually leveling, but here you're gonna have a leveling intelligent sensor for Saturn 4. The sprinting speed is both tie. Then also the layer thickness tie, z-axis accuracy tie, the software tie, then the operating screen tie. Then the power requirements, you have a higher power for Saturn 4 requirements. Then the heat dissipation method is better for Saturn 3, and the net weight is better for Saturn 3. So you can clearly see that when we're just gonna look here on the things here, primarily maybe you're gonna have like better features. This is just the specs comparison, but features wise, maybe you have for Saturn 4 more things. Just write down below in comments if that's true. But other than that, when we're gonna look here, yes, you're gonna have even larger build volume from Saturn 3, the better upgraded heat dissipation system. I don't know about the leveling, but primarily the Saturn 4 got it. And then you're gonna have the heat dissipation is for Saturn 3, a little lighter, and the Saturn 4 got higher power requirements. So that's pretty much it. I don't know if I actually helped you with this video. If I didn't, I'm sorry that I wasted your time. I just like to make this video. Maybe it's going to be beneficial to someone. So have a great day and goodbye.